Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm currently wearing, I don't know if I can show you, the barrette thing that I got at my own store the other day. I am a customer of my own store apparently, but I am currently taking photos because I'm doing some bundles for the website. So this is the coffee bundle. So you'll get coffee, a mug, a little scoop, a squishy, some earrings, and some little pins all in the same bundle. I think it's gonna be around $30 to $35. So the coffee itself is $20. It's made locally, so pretty good deal. And I think it'd make like a good Christmas gift. It's gonna come in a nice box. So I'm doing that, and then I also have a bunch of new earrings that I want to list and take photos of. Some really cute earrings like these. Oh my god, I'm going through like a serious earring obsession these days, so I hope you guys are along with me. So I have those. It's a really hardcore photo day. And then let me show you, I'm also going to take photos of the sticker subscription that's available now. It's all about working from home and I love it. What's a work-life balance, work uniform, desks, oh great, another video meeting, and may your Wi-Fi be as strong as your coffee. So this is the kit for this month, so I have to take some photos of that as well. I'm out of breath because I feel like I'm just running around like a crazy person. So because I'm an addict and Zenny has a sale for 20% off, these are the 3 new pairs I'm gonna get. And total, it costs $30 with prescription lenses for all 3. So freaking jazzed. I think I'm gonna look so granny in these. I'm so excited.
Hey there, my name is Alex Benda, and I'm the Chief Branding Strategist here at the Oh Hello Branding Group.
Good morning, guys. I don't think I've filmed since I got my hair cut. I got a little short bob going on, vibing it. But today is Friday and I'm about to make a soup Alex requested. He wanted a potato leek soup. Basically anything with leek is what he wanted. So I found a crock pot recipe and I'm gonna go cut some giant ass leeks up. You can come with me. All right, so I have my leeks and you really only use like this part of it and they're super dirty, so once I chop it I'm going to rinse it to make sure all of the dirt's out of it, and then you actually cook this with bacon for the recipe. And I'll leave the recipe linked below if you are curious and want to give it a try. I love crock pot soups. It's just so easy. And also if you hear Alex in the background, he's on a video call upstairs, so there you go. So while the bacon and leeks are cooking, I'm just gonna chop down the like waste products and then I'm gonna give it to our worm farm, but they like it in more bite-sized pieces. So the recipe calls for chicken broth or like chicken stock, but I always use this Better Than Bouillon roasted chicken base, and I just mix it in 1 teaspoon to the amount of water. And the flavor is just so amazing. It always makes our food taste so much better and thicker and creamier. So I highly recommend you pick this up. They also have the beef one as well. Let's feed the worms. They're always in the lid. Like, come on guys. There's no good stuff in the lid. Get out of the lid. So what we usually do is we take a little trowel and push, look at them all. Push this aside and then bury the food that we're adding in. All right, there it is. Now it cooks until dinner time. A really cool package just arrived from It Cosmetics. And inside this awesome giant makeup bag, they have their like setting spray. I'm not crazy about their setting spray. I think I just prefer the Urban Decay All Nighter. There's also a foundation brush. Their brushes are my favorite like splurge brushes. And then 2 shades of their new It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better foundation, which I'm in the market for a new one, so what better time? So I will report back on what I think. And this bag is so cool. It's actually made by this company called Stony Clover. So I think I'm gonna actually like check out their website and see what other bags they have, because you never have too many bags, right? So Alex made an A-frame sign. And now he's writing on it, you know, because our biggest selling point is Bancroft, so. Cold outside, dog inside. Hey guys, it is Tuesday, about to have our weekly meeting. It's not just me and Alex, I promise. There's other people in it too. They just come exactly at 10. But I'm very excited for today. I'm feeling positive, feeling good. I'm wearing that foundation I showed you in the last clip, and I really like it so far. I'll keep you posted throughout the day, so you can maybe have like a first impressions full day wear kind of thing going on. Look at me like a beauty blogger or something. Alex is rolling his eyes and shaking his head, so. All right, let's get into this meeting. It's most definitely a 2 chai latte kind of day. I am currently editing 8 videos Alex filmed about branding for Oh Hello Branding Group on various topics. I am halfway there. I've done 4 so far, and it's getting pretty easy to edit. So this video is about 5 reasons your company should hire a marketing agency. So this is what I look like when I edit. Lots of staring, the occasional clicking, a little bit of dragging. Boom, video. So I just came into the bathroom to check the foundation and how it's doing. It's near the end of the day, and it's a little like patchy on my nose, but that always happens. My nose is like the #1 area of problem, but the rest looks really smooth and like still there and covering everything up. So overall, I think you're doing pretty good there, foundation. I put on, which one did I put on? Not that one, I put this one on. I'm wearing light neutral 20.5, I think. Yeah, that's the lighter of the 2. So if you're in the market and you have dry skin like me, it's a good one. It seems fairly light, like light to medium coverage, and it doesn't look cakey on the skin. Just my nose looks weird, but it always does. So there's that. Hi, bud. Oh. Well, aren't you the cutest? How do I get their job? They seem to have it figured out. I'm done working for the day, but honestly, the days just seem like the same thing over and over and over again. Like, I suddenly wake up and it's the morning again. And Alex and I say, it's another morning, another one. It just feels like Groundhog's Day. Like, I've never felt it more than this past couple of weeks. It just feels like the same day has repeated itself. The only thing different, my hair got shorter at some point. Couldn't tell you when. Was it last week? Was it this week? I don't know. All right, artists. Say goodbye to the vlog. Until the next one.